Hey everyone, welcome in this new video of a comparison with Hidden Side. We're gonna take a look at the fire truck and the school bus. What are the differences and are there any similarities? We're gonna take a look at the minifigures and the side builds, which are like a toilet build and a creepy shadow guy, and which are the play features and the looks of the vehicles. So let's get straight into it. So with the school bus you are getting GB, Jack and Parker, Spencer the ghost dog, and 2 workers. And with these accessories you can make them look haunted. And with the fire truck you are getting also GB, you are getting Jack and Parker, you are getting TV, Shadow Walker, and you are getting Neymar Reem. So on the right you're seeing the minifigs you're getting with the fire truck, and on the left the ones you're getting with the school bus. You're getting 3 of the same characters. Both sets are the same characters. This set and the fire truck set you're getting like this more darker spooky ones, and you're getting TV. And in the school bus you're getting 2 workers. So if you're more into building a city, this set with the school bus will be better because it has 2 normal minifigs. And if you like more dark and everything, the fire truck is better. Here we have the fire truck and the school bus next to each other. So you can see that the school bus is a little bit longer than the fire truck. And let's see how wide they are. They are about just as wide, I think. If we just take the length of a minifig, like this one, it's the same length, so it's just as wide, but the school bus is, as you can see, bigger and deeper. And in the front you have lots of lights, and it's really nice to see. The front is worked all really nice. Typical school bus look and typical fire truck look. As you can see, the equipment on the roof seems like this is a nice piece and some satellite. But this looks more interesting. It looks like this is more blue intertwined with the whole fire truck, and it looks a little bit better. Of course you can change the school bus to a normal city school bus if you don't want all the blue stuff and the paranormal stuff in it. You can change it. From the sides it looks really nice, but I think that these stickers are really nice. The fact that you can turn this, but you can open up this on both sides, so you have like a turn wheel and something to open up. I think this is really nice. This blaster on the top is much cooler than these little things. Although they are cool too, but this is much better. In the window you see that there are much more windows than here. Here are just 2 little windows and a front, 2 front windows. Here it's 2 front windows as well. Now let's take a look at the inside. actually this is just a steering wheel and a chair and a sticker. And this has much more. This one has a computer room, like a lava lamp, a mouse, a keyboard, and 2 seats. You can fit 4 minifigures in here. You can fit one in here with one on like the ground or next to it. But you have in the fire truck, in the school bus, sorry, you have this that you can put out, and you can put 2 more figures in here plus a bed. So 5 minifigures, almost 6 minifigures in the school bus. You can fit in 4 here, and you can fit into people in this blaster. So that's really nice. I think the interior is on both is like the same. There's a nice interior in it. So it's just because of the functions that we are gonna look through. Now the school bus can just open up the sides on both sides. It has some stud shooters here, and this thing had, I don't think this has stud shooters. The fire truck doesn't seem to have stud shooters, but I thought it had, but it hasn't. No. The fire truck can open up the bag, and it can relate, and you can open up this as well to fit some minifigs in. Now the fire truck can open up this. Now you have a lot of space inside, which I really like. You can open up the doors on both sides. Also on the school bus you can open up this door. And there's only one door. On the other side is a window. Now the color wheel is in here. So it's really nice worked out. You can open up these panels, same as on the other side, and you can twist this. So there's much more to do, I think, than just one thing that you open up here. This is much more. Now the thing that people or like or dislike is that you have the back of the truck, which you can get off. There is some nice details and something to open up again. And the color wheel. Now this has a function. You can turn this around. Then you can make something like feet, and then it's more like a robot or a mech, which is really nice, but it can also be seen like an add-on that is bugging you because it doesn't completely look steady for a truck piece. And you can place it on, but you cannot not easily lift it up because it will fall off. So you can only lift it by the front. And the school bus you can lift on both sides. even the top doesn't fall off, because this is worked out in the back, the interior, and this is just all where you can grab it. So stability, this is better than the fire truck. Now with the school bus, you are also getting this little toilet build and some accessories that you can change. Into a rounded version, which is really cool. But is this just as cool as the robot Mac that you're getting? And I'm not sure. This really depends on you guys. Are you more like city style or more like adventurous style? Because the fire truck is nice for a city, but you have to change a lot of pieces to make it look normal. Here, maybe you have to just cover this side up with yellow, the other side, clear the roof, and you have a normal school bus. Yeah, almost normal. And this you have to change like the whole bag and the sides and this parts, and you have to remove this, so it's a lot of more work to make it look normal. Now for the pieces, I think you're getting more pieces in the school bus set than in the fire truck set, I think. I like both a lot, but personally I think I like the fire truck more because of the functions it has, and that you have a robot and like this creepy Slender Man. So let's just see. Like, this is really nice, but which one do you think is better? For me personally, I think the fire truck is a little bit better and has some nice new minifigs and nice things that you don't see every day from Lego. So Lego got out of their comfort zone a little bit with the fire truck, and the school bus is absolutely awesome, but more to just buy when you are making a city. So this was my review, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to don't miss out on all the videos that I'm gonna do in the future of Hidden Side, Ninjago, City, Monkey Kid, Harry Potter, anything that has to do with Lego and other stuff that goes my interest too. So don't forget to subscribe. Also don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video, and let me know in the comments below what you like about the sets and what you dislike. Which of the two is your favorite, and which of those do you own or do you want to pick up? So let me know that in the comments, and I will see you all another day. Bye.